A set of distinct objects is called the data set, while each piece of this data is called value. For example, in the given data, the 118 is a value. We can arrange this data into ascending order from the smallest value to the largest value. And we can also arrange this data in a descending order from the largest value to smallest value. For further analysis, so we arrange this data in an ordered form and calculate the median. So middle value in an ordered data is the median. For the calculation of median for odd number, so the central value in the odd number is the median. For example, 105, so is a complete central number. While if we have the even number, so the central two number are the median. For example, 105 and 107. So these are two central value. To calculate the median for this, we are going to add these two central value divided by 2. We will get 106 is the even number central value or the middle value. For calculation of range, the range is the highest value minus the lowest value. So this will give us the difference between the largest and the smallest value in the given data. For example, the smallest value is 101 and the largest value is 119. So when we subtract the 119 minus 101, this will give us 18 as a difference. This difference is the range of this given data. If the range is a larger value, it means the data is more spread out. But if the range is a smaller, so it means the data, the different values in a given data are closer to each other. The next is the mode calculations. So any number in the given data is coming most frequent time or many time, that is mode. For example, 101 is coming the 2 time. So in this data, 101 is a mode because it is coming 2 time and the frequency of 101 is 2. The average and the mean value. A number which is calculated by sum of all number and it's divided by their number of a quantity, that is average. For example, if in this data, if we add this whole number and divide it by 7, and this will give us the value 753 divided by 7, this will give us 107.57 is equal to, in a whole number, 108. So this is our average or a mean number. Now we're going to solve the problem related to this data handling. For example, if there's a distance from the school of the 12 student in kilometer is a given there. Now this distance is recorded is in non-order, and first we're going to convert it in ordered form from smallest to the largest number in ascending order. After calculation in order, we are in a position to calculate the average distance by adding these all number or all distances divided by the total number of the student 12. So that is 30 divided by 12. It is 2.5 kilometers. So the average distance from school to the home of the different students who are living in the different places around the school is 2.5 kilometers. While the median, for calculation of the median, if it is the even number, so the central 2 value is 2 plus 2, that's 4 divided by 2 is our median. While the range, the calculation of the range, the largest value minus the smallest value, this is our the range. While the mode calculation, so one is coming so many times, for example, the frequency of one in this data is the 3 times. So that's why the mode is 1. In another example, find the mean, median, mode, and range of the given data. So first, we will arrange this data in an ascending order. And after arranging, we are going to add this whole number divided by the number is 7. And that is giving us the value 13 is our mean or average. While the median, this is the odd number. So these are the 7. So in this way, the central value is 14 is our median. While the mode, so there's no number is coming twice or thrice. So all number have the equal value or equal presence in this given data. So that's why there's no mode in this example. While the range is, for calculation of the range, the largest value is our 20, while the smallest value is 4. So the largest minus the smallest value, the 16 is a range in this data. We can also calculate the unknown value. For example, if there's a 3 plus 4 plus 11, these are the 3 values with an unknown value. X divided by 4 is equal to the 6 in average. We can also calculate the unknown value. The 4 is dividing, other side it will multiply. We're going to add these other known figures. So this is 18 plus X is equal to 6 multiply 4. So now here, this will produce 24. Now 18 is plus, other side it will minus. So this will give us a figure 6. So the unknown value here is our 6. We can also represent the data in a different form. For example, the sum data is in the discrete value. For example, the students are getting marks out of 30 in one quiz. So this is the discrete data. And this is also called the quantitative data. While the certain type of the data in which the quality is represented, for example, the skin color or the body mass, so this is our continuous data. While in this continuous data, this is qualitative data, which reliability is less as compared to quantitative data. We can also represent this data in the frequency table, and that's the telegram. And for example, if you have a pictogram, and in this pictogram, there's a graph, and along x-axis, the number of the students who like the subject, while along y-axis, the type of subjects are represented. For example, if you have geography, and the 6th student, they like the geography. So we can represent the 4 lines, and one cross line would represent in the telegram. This is for number 5, while +1, this is the 6. So what about environmental management? Only one student liked the environmental management. We can represent by 1 in the frequency table, while the English, so there are the 2 students, they like the English. So we can represent 2 in this frequency table. While the biology, there are the 9 students, they love the biology. So in this way, we can represent 5 plus 4, that is our 9 in the telegram. So we can represent, that's the 9 number is a frequency. While in chemistry, there are the 6 students, and in physics, there are 8 students. So in this way, we can represent the pictogram data into a frequency table. Hope you will get the idea. So if you have the further any queries, so you can put in the comment box as well. So hopefully it will be helpful for you. Thank you. Thank you very much.